Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Dodge Journey battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin. This ensures a safe working environment for the entire process. Now, let's locate your Dodge Journey's battery. It's usually found under the hood, but some models might have it in a fender well. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully disconnect the negative terminal first. This is crucial for safety. Once the negative is free, disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, remove any battery hold-down clamps or straps. With the old battery out, it's time to prepare for the new one. First, thoroughly clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors using your wire brush and terminal cleaner. This ensures a good connection. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it's seated securely. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, tightening both firmly. After connecting everything, secure the new battery with its hold-down clamp to prevent movement. Double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Now, start your Dodge Journey to confirm the new battery is working correctly and that all electrical systems are functioning. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.